So hey guys, welcome back to the channel of Be10x and I hope you all are doing really well. Today I am going to talk to you about AI tools to run your business from A to Z, because it's very important nowadays that you implement AI in your business, because you need to learn every new thing and everything is not possible at a smaller scale. So you need to enable AI in your business so that you can get more productivity. And also, talking about productivity, we have an AI tools workshop that is just available for 9 rupees. More details are there ahead in the video. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. And let's continue the video.
Happy New Year! If your resolution for 2024 is getting accelerated career growth along with a good salary hike, then you are at right place. If you want to do the same, you should be learning ChatGPT and AI tools and how you can integrate them for your own advantage.
So, if you wish that your business was making more money, or if you wish that you would have an assistant to help you do the tasks that no one wants to do, or are you feeling overwhelmed by all of the tasks it takes to run a business but don't have a budget to hire more people? Well, 2024 is a beautiful time to be alive, because today these AI tools can help you do all of those things, and I am going to let you in for the powerful AI tools that are going to help improve the efficiency and profitability of your business. So the first tool on the list is an AI tool that is going to keep you up to date by the minute with no other than your competitors, because Browse AI is a tool that lets you get power by hour updates on what your competitors are doing. And I must admit that this one feels kind of sneaky, but you can get notified when your competitor makes important updates, maybe like adding a new product or changing their pricing. So instead of checking back every day, like we know that you are already going to do that, you are going to get an email instead, and that's going to be alerted with the keywords and the products that you actually care about. So this is the tool that is incredible, and it almost feels illegal, but you definitely want to check it out. That is called Browse AI. And let's talk about the other tool. Like, if you want to start your brand but you are not comfortable with your design skills, well, you no longer need to hire a costly graphic designer to help you with that, and you definitely don't need to go through multiple of revisions on Upwork, because now we have a tool called Luca, and Luca will instantly generate 100 of logo versions for you. And if you still can't find the one that you are loving, all you have to go in the editor and you have full control to make it exactly what you want. And not only is this AI tool gonna give you a logo, guys, but it's also going to give you all the files that you need, and it's going to give you JPEGs and PNGs. But once your logo is finalized, it will give you a brand bible to match your logo vibes. How cool is that? Going to include brand fonts, that's going to include brand colors, and also you are going to get a marketing kit with an email signature, business cards, and more. So that is the one that is so crazy that is to be used by something, and you can use that for someone. I know that you would have to spend a lot of money normally hiring out a graphic designer, but now you can do it on Luca. So make sure that you are checking that out. And the third tool is Copy AI. So Copy AI is like having our own personal copywriter on payroll, except literally at a cost that is very minimum compared to any professional copywriter. So let's say English is not your first language, or maybe you just don't have the time to write social media captions every day. Like, I get it that you would be definitely busy handling your business, then you would want to check out this. And this is definitely going to write your social content, but it can help you with so many other things. It can help you write blog content, and that's gonna help you attract new customers to your website. It can help you write ad copy so that you can run hundreds of B tests. It can even write you e-commerce copy to write product description that are going to entice your customer to buy. So check that out. But another tool that is actually quite similar to this is called Jasper. And before talking about Jasper, I just want to have a small talk with you. Nowadays, you all might know that AI is taking over the world, and in just a short span of time, you have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. And I believe that you don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, I can assure you that an AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will surely. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour AI tools workshop, in which we'll teach you about the best AI tools to upskill yourself, increase your productivity, and also enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. And let's continue the video ahead. And talking about Jasper, it's going to help you with your blog, web content, caption, video scripts, marketing, copy, sales, email, SEO, content, Facebook ad. So it's going to help you like 10 times faster. So what do you guys think? You have guys tried one of these tools or maybe both of these tools? I know they are both actually quite popular right now, but if you have tried them, let me know which one do you like better, and they are pretty much equivalent. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down. below. If you want to claim the top spot on Google, you guys are gonna love this tool. This is called Spin Writer, and it can rewrite a single article into 500 different articles in like 45 seconds. So it has this thing called text paraphrasing AI that can rewrite an existing article into a unique quality article. Blog content is a really important part of SEO, and that's going to help drive new visitors to your website. But writing blog content alone can literally be a full-time job, let alone all the other tasks that you have to do as a business owner. So I feel like this tool can really help save you a lot ton of time, but just make sure that you are going into these articles and adding your own spin on it, because we want to make sure that we are recreating original content, not getting content just from AI. Because nowadays, if you don't know, Google is not going to flag as something that has been generated by AI, because there is definitely been some rumors out there that these tools kind of like ding you in terms of SEO. So you just be mindful of that. And now talking about the most interesting tool, that is Midjourney. So Midjourney, guys, is a Discord bot that takes your text prompt and pulls up from millions of images to create an entirely new beautiful image. So if you are interested in using this tool, you have to simply create a Discord account, then log in into Discord app by accepting the Midjourney invitation. And if you are new to the platform, you are encouraged to use this like these newcomer rooms to test your prompting skill. You can prompt a command by pressing like the /imagine, followed by writing in your command, and finish by pressing enter to see your images. That the bot will actually to see your images, the bot will usually give you for different options after a few seconds of image generation time. And then once the processing is finished, your image will be publicly visible inside the forum. Inside that room, everyone else on the platform is able to see your creation, and you are able to see everyone else's creation as well as. And in the first, when I saw this, I was like, that's kind of weird, like you have a chat with the bot on Discord to get your images. But with the modern changing time, I thought this weirdness would be really stay weird for me. But and how coolly people have adopted it, I realized that how cool it has become to have access of thousands of images that other people have requested. So if you do prefer to keep your creations private, you would have to pay, I think it's about like 60 a month for a membership that allows you to create prompts in stealth mode. But there are many prompts and tricks that you can learn by seeing what others have typed in to create, these beautiful creative artistic images. There are literally analyst use cases for you and your business, but you can get Midjourney to spit out really high quality product shots without ever having to hire a studio or a photographer. So that's that the reason alone is amazing. You can also leverage this tool to create realistic mock-up images of a product that you want to bring to your life, so that you can make it easier to communicate with your manufacturer of like what it is that you want to write. So that's another use case. So guys, these are the 5 AI tools that can literally help you. The rest 5 I'll tell you in part 2 if you give a good support on this video. So guys, that is it for this video. So if you like the video, don't forget to leave a like and also drop a comment if you have any doubts, and don't forget to subscribe Be10x, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, do remember we have an AI tool workshop that is just available for 9 rupees. And bye bye.